Here's how to create sections in Google Forms. First of all, go to forms.google.com and search for it. Log into your account. Then after, start a new form or select any template and continue with it. Now on the right side, find the Add Section button. It's the last option in the toolbar. Click on it to add a new section, and a new section will be created instantly. You can title the section like Section 2, and you can also add a description. And for example, Section 1 could be multiple choice questions, and Section 2 could be longer form questions. You can set options for what happens after Section 1, and after the user completes the Section 1, you can direct them to the next section, which is a specific section, or submit the form. To continue the next section, leave the default setting, and to review, click on the preview button in the top of the screen. A user will fill out Section 1 and click on Next to proceed to Section 2 and then submit the form. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.